Alright guys, what's going on? So today we got a special package from Morimoto. We got the new XB LED fog lights type F2. These haven't even came out yet, so Morimoto sent me this package to install them on the truck and then see if I like them or not. And then yeah, I'm just excited because these haven't even came out yet, and then they send them to me. I am rocking their headlights, and I am planning to get the new grille and possibly tail lights, and then I'll be having the fog lights Morimoto, because the ones right now they're stock. I'll be having headlights, fog grille, and then tail lights. I'll be all Morimoto. So you guys know Morimoto's makes the best lights, headlights, tail lights. They're the best in the business, so make sure to go check them out. And make sure when these come out, the fog lights, go check them out, go buy them. And then let's see if we can install them today. I have not opened this yet, so let's do an unboxing first. Got connectors, we got the manual, which we probably don't need. They're probably plug and play, knowing Morimoto, but we'll see. God damn. Alright, so they are not plug and play. Or actually they kind of are, you just have to plug them in there. It's probably easy to install. But holy moly, these look amazing. Way better than my stock ones. Let's leave this here, open the next one. Oh my god, these look so much better. Wow. I'm actually in love with these. Thanks to Morimoto sending me these unreleased beautiful fog lights. I'll be installing them on the truck shortly, and then when they come out, make sure to go check them out, buy them for the truck. Yep, they look amazing. So thanks again for Morimoto sending me these beautiful fog lights for the truck. Right, so before I remove the stock, well, they're not kind of stock, I put a yellow light bulb in there, but they're stock fog lights that came. Before I remove them, this is how they look. Yellow with the Morimoto. And after I install these ones, it should look 10 times better. So let's get to installing. It's pretty easy. Alright guys, so after you guys are in here, you guys take the light out of here, and then there's a clip on this side and then on the other side. What you guys need to do is just put a flathead screwdriver in there, make this come up, and then the light should go out because right now it's wobbling. There was a screw in a spring right here, and after you take that out, this light should wobble. And then stick a flathead in there, make this come up, and then the light should go out from this side. It'll come out from this side. So let's get to it. Okay, so after you guys take this the old fog light out, you guys need this piece right here. You guys need to take it out and then put it on the new piece. Okay, so I just finished installing the fog lights. They look amazing. So these ones, they come in yellow and white, so you can just switch them over. So give me 1 second and I'll switch them over to white. And then here's how the white looks. I'll probably just keep them white because my headlights are white too. Unless it's really foggy out, I'll switch them over to yellow. But white for now because they match my headlights. Thank you again for Morimoto sending me these unreleased fog lights. Make sure I'll leave a link down in the description. I probably won't post this until it comes out, so I'll leave a link down in the description for Morimoto's. Also check out their headlights, beautiful headlights. And then obviously make sure to get the new fog lights.